everyone, I'm Shruti Sonamne.
How do you feel on the first day?
The first of our life कुछ वैसी वाली mixed feeling आ रही है.
कुछ टाइम में ये लोग भी ब्लॉगर्स बनने वाले हैं. Day one is not day one.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. I'm Shruti Sonamne and I did engineering first. Then I gave CAT in my final year, studied MBA from IIM Visakhapatnam, started content creation along the way, and now I'm also a 9-to-5 corporate employee. And this vlog is all about my day one of my first corporate job.
You are watching A Day in My Life as on 1st July 2024, which is also the first day of my first job.
After MBA, I got a break of 3 months before starting my corporate journey. So I was home all this time in my hometown, and now I am moving to Mumbai for induction for a few days.
Day one is not day, guys. Waiting here for 15 minutes now.
So जितना टाइम बेसिकली मुझे औरंगाबाद से मुंबई आने में लगा, उतना ही टाइम मुझे एयरपोर्ट पे एक कैब लेने में लगा.
Hi Arun. I have little time to change and then we have to reach office by 11 AM. So yeah, see you later. Ready. You know, I have mixed feelings, you know, like the first day at school, the first day at college, and how we feel on the first of our life. कुछ वैसी वाली mixed feeling आ रही है, and I think it's normal. I just need to do a little self-talk with myself in the mirror, and I think I should be fine. So if I ever decide to make a get ready with me, A, I'll be getting late, B, I'll be very chaotic, and C, in between you'll find all the motivational lines. But yeah, I really need to go now, and bye!
So he wants a cut from whatever I earn, some outfit for Marine Drive, right? You bought a raincoat?
I'm not talking about it again. Not for Marine Drive, for enjoying the rain. Angshu is trying hard for foreign accent. Yeah, wannabe guys. Wannabe guys.
Wannabe.
By now, Shivam is like, मतलब पूरा कैमरा फ्रेंडली हो गया है लड़का. वंशिका से हाय. वंशिका भी लाइक खाना खाने दिया. हाय तृप्ति. शी इज फ्रॉम आई एम नागपुर और वो आई एम विशाखापट्टनम से. सुबह इनकी फ्लाइट डिले हो गई थी तो हम लोग मिले नहीं इनसे.
So it is 6 something and we just reached our hotel some time back and अभी हम लोग रेस्ट कर रहे हैं. Few of us really want to go to Marine Drive considering this is our first day in Mumbai. मतलब I have lived in Mumbai पहले, but the other people who are visiting Mumbai for the first time, they really want to go to Marine Drive, and also because we got free थोड़ा जल्दी, so that's the plan. अभी सब लोग रेस्ट कर रहे हैं and if I go to Marine Drive, you are definitely getting a clip of Marine Drive at the end of this vlog. And talking about how my first day was, I think I was not intimidated, scared or kuch bhi when I entered the office, क्योंकि it was maybe also because I have worked in the same office during my summer internship, तो काफी familiar था. I knew the people, I knew the place, I knew the vibe. I had a certain expectation of the role and the work that will be assigned to me, so things felt familiar, simple and not intimidating to me. Yeah, that's it. पूरे दिन में आज ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं हुआ. There was an induction and we got to learn a few things, understand what they expect from us, and that's it. Vanshika. Hi. Vanshika and Tripti are traveling in local for the first time और हम लोग जा रहे हैं मरीन ड्राइव and कुछ टाइम में ये लोग भी ब्लॉगर्स बनने वाले हैं तो इनको अच्छे से देख लो.
So after a hectic day, we decided to step out only to witness this windy weather. इसको romanticize करना तो impossible था.
What's up, guys? Guys, help me!
So after having पाव भाजी with sand, हमें लगा कि के रुस्तम जाकर उसकी हाइट चेक करते हैं and उसके बाद में let's go to Marine Drive and wait for this windy weather to settle down a bit. I have had a record of ending the best days of my life by visiting the beach at the end of the day. चाहे वो विशाखापट्टनम में मेरे best days हो या चाहे मेरा convocation, I've always loved to go to the beach at night. And जब मैं मुंबई में रहती थी during my summer internship, तब also I've ended my best days and sometimes also bad days at the Marine Drive.